by Vitek, featuring Sukino on Amazon Music.
You've seen Zamasu in many different ways. You saw Zamasu as his normal state. You saw him as a fusion of a Saiyan and a Supreme Kai, and an invincible one as well. But what if he got used to his Saiyan half? What if he learned about more potential that his Saiyan half had to offer? Like, what if he mastered all the forms of Super Saiyan? So in tonight's episode, we're going to draw Super Saiyan 3 Zamasu. I hope he learns to master this form soon. After all, he is half Saiyan. Here's that white hair. I did draw this earlier, last year, but for some reason it disappeared. But don't worry, folks. We'll get it back as soon as I find it. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
You see me draw Zamasu as a Super Saiyan. Well, you actually saw me draw him as a Great Ape. And I'm gonna help you draw so much more. Here's his head. Here's his shirt. I meant his Supreme Kai suit. Alexa, what does it mean to be a god?
As a noun, God can have a few meanings. 1. The one supreme being, the creator and ruler of the universe. 2. The supreme being considered with reference to a particular attribute. 3. One of several deities, especially a male deity, presiding over some portion of worldly affairs. 4. A supreme being according to some particular conception.
Here's the time ring on his hand. Here's his red belt. and finished. There he is. That's how you draw Super Saiyan 3 Zamasu. Fused. Wow, he looks as good as the last one. Now this is the potential he has in store. Can't forget about these lightning bolts. Anyway, that's how you draw Fusion Zamasu Super Saiyan 3. Please like your rocket, subscribe to my channel, and let me know which one of these guys you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stay guys, see you later, and good night.